Kailh blue switch. Full RGB backlit. Brushed aluminum finish. The Kailh blue switch is tailored for gamers that are looking for a precise mechanical keyboard that requires lighter key pressure. The ergonomic high-low keycap design keeps your hands and wrists in a comfortable and natural position that reduces strain and pain while typing or gaming for a long period. Special octagonal-shaped keycaps and metal backplate show off a modern look with easy cleanup. Create various and unique lighting effects via the MSI Dragon Center software. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome! This keyboard will be everything you'd need. Smooth keys and mouse. Amazing lights.